Step 2. Remove the passenger side front wheel and fender liner. Step 3. Remove the engine oil filter. Step 4. Loosen the front sway bar bolts and lower the sway bar. Step 5. Remove the passenger side front differential bolt and lower the differential. Step 6. Remove the bolt securing the transmission fluid inlet/outlet block on the driver's side transmission housing. Step 7. Locate the coolant hose T connections near the oil cooler. Remove the right side clamp on each T and pinch off the left side hoses of both T connections. Step 8. Disconnect the right side hoses from both T connections. Be careful as coolant can spill. Step 9. Loosen all 3 transmission heat exchanger bolts, then remove the heat exchanger. Step 10. Install the supplied J-hose in place of the 2 hose connections removed in Step 8. Secure with factory spring hose clamps. Step 11. Remove the seal from the factory inlet/outlet block and transfer the seal to the PPE thermal bypass valve. Pre-install the supplied M8 by 50 mm bolt to the valve. Step 12. Install the PPE valve with the inlets facing downward and tighten the M8 bolt to 13 pound-feet. Step 13. Feed the transmission line assembly forward from behind the crossmember. Pull both lines out from the engine bay through behind the fan shroud. The line with the longer soft rubber section goes to the driver's side. The other line goes to the passenger side. Step 14. Reinstall the front differential bolt. Step 15. Remove the 2 bolts at the bottom of the bell housing. Step 16. Insert the transmission lines to the bypass valve with the O-rings in place. The line with the shorter straight end goes to the front of the valve. The line with the longer straight end goes to the rear. Secure both lines with the included transmission line bracket and M6 by 16 mm bolt. Step 17. Secure the rubber isolator clamp that's pre-installed to the transmission line assembly to the engine oil pan flange with supplied M6 by 20 mm bolt and an M6 nut. Step 18. Reinstall the oil filter. Step 19. Install the bell housing bracket to the bell housing, reusing the 2 bolts removed in Step 15. Step 20. Install the supplied isolators where the lines run across the bell housing bracket. Step 21. Secure the isolators with the provided sheet metal clamps. Install each clamp to the bell housing bracket using an M6 nut and an M6 by 16 mm bolt. Step 22. Reinstall the front sway bar. Take a quick look at the rear section of the transmission line assembly. This section of the lines should be secured at this point. Step 23. Cut a hole in the passenger side air deflector at the shown location. Step 24. Slide the supplied sleeve over the front end of the passenger side transmission line. Feed the line through the hole made in the deflector. Step 25. Attach the line to the passenger side transmission cooler fitting. Fully seat the line until you feel the clip clicks. Step 26. Cross the driver's side transmission line over the compartment behind the fan assembly, around the driver's side of the radiator and AC condenser, into the front end compartment behind the grille shutters. Step 27. Slide the other anti-abrasion sleeve over the end of the line. Step 28. Plug the driver's side transmission line into the transmission cooler fitting. Step 29. Move the sleeve over to where the line is close to the rear fan shroud. Secure the line and sleeve to the shroud using a zip tie. Step 30. Secure the soft rubber portion of the driver's side line to the harness loom tube with a zip tie. Make sure to not over-tighten the zip tie to prevent any flow restriction. Step 31. Secure the passenger transmission line and sleeve to the AC line using a zip tie. Installation complete.